Welcome, future host. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up your host account step by step. Head over to the Vibrant Women Homestay homepage. So right up here, you will see register and pre-filled. So think about username that you can use, email, a password, and your phone number. Select I want to host, agree with our terms and condition, and click the reCAPTCHA and hit register. User info, please wait. So your account was created. Please check your inbox. So go to your inbox, check the confirmation email, and here you will see the username and password that you created. And to activate your account and verify your email, please click here. So this will take you through the host dashboard. Welcome to your host dashboard. This is your main hub for everything hosting. So head over to the profile section and take a few minutes to complete your details. So here you can upload an image as a host and add your information here, first name, last name. Next is the referral details. So you can add here your referrer name, and if you don't have any referee, so please book a time with us so we can chat with you. You can just choose your preferred schedule here from our calendar. And here you can upload your ID for verification. This is really important. You cannot start listing if you skip this one, okay? So we require you to upload a selfie with your photo ID and upload a proof of billing so we can confirm your location. You can also add your payout details, but this can be set up at a later time if you don't have your details with you. So just a quick one, you can select either PayPal, Wise, or bank transfer for your payout details. So after setting up your profile, our team will review and approve your account. So this usually doesn't take long, and you'll get an email notification once approved. So you'll be ready to add your very first listing, which we'll cover in the next video. So if you have any question, please leave a comment down below.